Okay, so I haven't gone through my closet in so long. My dresser, my clothing rack, and my closet is filled with clothes. So I really need to go through everything and either sell, donate, or keep all of the clothes that I have. I'm telling you, I even have clothes from like middle school in my dresser still. It's so much work to go through all your clothes, so I'm dedicating today to just go through everything and free up a lot of space. So I'm only gonna keep the stuff that I wear and that I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. Every time I wash clothes, I'm like, I don't even know where to put these clean clothes because I have no space for them. So this is literally gonna be the ultimate closet clean out video because I'm gonna go through everything I have. This is gonna be a very productive video, so I'm ready. I think this is gonna literally take me all day. It's 3 o'clock right now. Let's get started. So I'm first gonna start with my dresser because I feel like this is gonna be the most work. I can't even open the drawers. I literally feel like I just smash stuff in here every time I put my clothes away. And every time I organize this drawer and like fold it all nicely, it always just gets back to this mess. I also feel like if I clean out my clothes, I'm gonna take care of everything a lot better because this is just not good. I'm gonna clean this out first. So in my dresser, I keep shirts, pants, pajamas and swimsuits are at the bottom, and then these 3 drawers are my bras, underwear, and socks. So I guess we'll start with the shirt drawer. This is gonna be so much work. Oh my god, this is a huge pile. I'm not trying to overwhelm myself, so I'm taking it one drawer at a time. So this is the top drawer. Just looking at this pile, I'm seeing stuff from my freshman year of high school. So it's been a minute since I went through all my stuff. Look at all these colors. It's kind of cute though, huh? Yeah, so it's a pretty big pile. I need to go through all of this stuff. There is a fair amount of stuff here that I still wear. I want to make sure that everything I keep, I will actually wear and use. That's the hard part about going through clothes, but this shirt's cute. I'll keep this. This is just a plain tank top, but I'll wear it for pajamas. This is cute. I wore it when I was 16. I'm probably not gonna wear this again, so we'll put this in the sell pile. It's super nice. I'm gonna keep this one. Maybe we'll just donate this. This shirt is super cute. Donate, keep, sell, sell, sell. I could wear this for pajamas. Sell, keep. So this video is actually sponsored by Poshmark, so all of the items that I'm putting in the sell pile are gonna be sold on there. Damn, this pile is big. So as I said, this video is sponsored by Poshmark. Poshmark is an app where you can buy and sell clothes. I think it's literally the easiest way to sell clothes online. I've been using Poshmark for years now to sell clothes from my closet. So this is what my bag of donate and sell stuff is looking like. It's huge. Here are a few examples of clothes that I'm gonna list on Poshmark. First, I have this top. This is from Brandy. This tank top is in really good condition. I just don't wear it that often. This is super cute. It's from Urban Outfitters and it's black with these silver stars and moons. I'm also gonna list these shorts. I bought these from Urban Outfitters last summer and I never wore them, so I'm gonna list these before summer starts. And then the last example I'll show you guys is this pink top. So I'm gonna list this one as well. So when I take pictures of clothes to list on Poshmark, I try to do it in front of a blank background and I try to lay it out so that the tag shows so people know where it's from. Alright, so let's take this picture and then I'll also flip it over. Okay, so now that I have all the pictures taken for the items that I want to list, I'm going to open Poshmark. So we're going to list some stuff right now. I'm just going to select from the pictures we just took. I usually add like 4 or 5 pictures of the front, back, and then some details of what I'm selling. So I'm going to describe the item. I'm going to sell it for $12. And we're gonna list it. I kind of updated my profile a little bit since it's been a while since I updated it. So I'm gonna continue listing the items that I need to sell. It's so easy to set up your profile and start listing items. Poshmark is super easy to use and you can shop your favorite brands. I've bought stuff from Princess Polly, Brandy Melville, from Urban Outfitters, Lululemon. You guys should definitely check out my Poshmark because I'm gonna list all this stuff on that app. And if you guys buy any of the clothes that I'm selling from this video, then you guys should definitely send me a picture on Instagram. Download Poshmark in the US, Canada, Australia, and India with the link in my description. And shop my closet on Poshmark or your favorite brands. So thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I'm gonna start to put all of the keep stuff back in this drawer. Okay, that looks way better. It's so much more organized and empty. So I just folded everything. It's not really organized into piles, but it's cleaned out a lot, so that looks so much better. Wow, it could actually close all the way like that. Perfect. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the second drawer. This has a lot of pants, pajamas, it even has shirts. Okay, so this drawer is pretty full, but it looks so much better. I folded everything up that I wear regularly. This drawer is done. So my dresser is looking so much better. Next, I'm gonna move to my closet. I've been dreading this moment because there is so much stuff in there. Let's start. This is gonna be so much work. Alright, so I'm gonna start by just taking stuff out. Just like, it's crazy. I don't know what to do with this. Alright, so this dress, I'm gonna sell this. We could donate these. Matching pink jacket, we could donate. Donate these. We could sell this bag. These are some Lululemon leggings. I'm gonna put these in my dresser. Most of this stuff is summer stuff. I'll usually put my clothes in here that are not of the season. So since it's been super cold recently, all of like my summer dresses and tank tops are in here. And I probably won't take them out until it starts to get hot again. I'll put them in my dresser. Take this out. I wear this to school. Donate. I'll save this dress for summer. I remember being obsessed with these pink zip-ups when I was in middle school. This was like my fave thing. I think I bought this going into my freshman year of high school, so I'm gonna sell this. So the last thing I need to do as part of this video is go through my clothing rack. Pretty much everything here I still wear. This is where I put my everyday clothes that I wear on a daily basis. So when I get ready in the morning, I just come over to my clothing rack, pick out my outfit, and then I get ready. So I know I'm not gonna sell or donate any of this stuff. I just want to reorganize it so it looks better, and also make sure all the hangers are white because I think it'll look way nicer if all the hangers match. So I'm gonna go through this and sort it all out nicer. I'm gonna put like all the jackets together. I'll put them at the end here. And then I'll put the long sleeves together too. I feel like that looks a little better. It kind of made a little bit of a difference. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link in the description to check out my profile and shop my closet. I am so tired. That was such a productive day. It is literally dark out. That took like 5 hours to clean out my closet. I ended up setting a lot of stuff aside to donate and sell, so I'm so happy that I made a lot of progress today. I freed up a lot of space and I'm gonna keep it that way. I don't want to have that many clothes that I don't wear in my closet again. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. Definitely follow my other social medias to see my life outside of YouTube. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.